Hey guys, Dylan with the Random Automotive, and I just got home from a gig. So normally I'd be running to go to the shower, but I realized I have a trip coming up from New Jersey, a trip coming up to New Jersey pretty soon. I'm flying out to my home state for a buddy of mine's wedding. Woohoo! But I need a car. So around the Orlando area, I can get a rental for about $5 a day at one of the airport car rental places. $5 a day. New Jersey, around Newark International Airport, $44 a day. What the actual So, I like cheap, so I decided, let me check out Turo. Now, I've heard of it before. I've never used it. Heard of it before, so I figured, let me see what I could find on there. So this is my first time ever renting a vehicle on Turo. Let's go on there and see what we could find. Now, disclosure, I have looked already to make sure it was cheaper, and I did set up an account. But aside from that, I haven't gone any further, and I looked a few days ago. I don't even know if the car that I saw is still even there. So let's take a look. Again, this is my first time using Turo. Let's see what I can find. So here we go. I'm on Turo. I'm gonna log in just to get that out of the way because I know it's gonna ask me to. Yep, cool, logging in. All right, I don't remember when my trip is, so I'm going to look that up real quick. Oh, I need a city. Newark International Airport. Okay, cool. Search. Now let's see what we can find. Let's go low to high because that's my jam. A 2008 Nissan Versa for $27 a day. Wow, and then it goes straight up to a Kia Forte for 32. 33, 33, 33, Volkswagen Jetta. Now, I saw an Audi on here. Let's see if it's still here. Looking. Okay, it appears the Audi is no more. That's unfortunate. Anyway, now we're going into rental car territory, so prices, I should say. I noticed I didn't want to be picky, but a Nissan Versa, Kia Forte. All right, let's take a look at the cheapest car here. Nissan Versa. Wow, these pictures are amazing. Whatever, I'm just gonna go for the Nissan Versa because it's the cheapest. So, Nissan Versa, 2008. I don't like Nissans, but whatever. Included 1,200 miles. That's great. I won't be driving that much, but cool. Insurance is provided. Look at that. Whoops. Pawan K. Let's just take a quick look at Pawan K and see what he's got going on here. He has no reviews. Okay, Pawan K. Looks like I might be giving you your first review. Snow tires or chains. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna go to my checkout now. Guess I have to do this first. I guess I have to upload a photo. Good enough, we'll use this one, this mugshot I took. Okay, be right back, I gotta get my driver's license. Protection plans. No thanks. No thanks. What? I said no thanks. This is taking longer than I thought. I have to put a message to Pawan. It says, introduce yourself and share details about your trip. That's my message to Pawan. Hello there, I'll be driving this car from airport to East Brunswick. Grammar is fun. Then to West Orange, back to East Brunswick, and then back to the airport. Some potential driving will be in between. I don't smoke. Need to know anything else, please let me know. Thanks. Whoops. Thanks. And authorize Turo to obtain my auto insurance score. Anyway, I have 1,200 miles. That's cool. Yo, there's an airport delivery fee? Yo, last time I checked, there was no airport delivery fee for that other car. Come on now. It said airport delivery fee was included. Yo. Airport delivery fee of $80. Holy shit. It's making that guy's 30 seem very reasonable. What the f***? $80, my gosh. Okay, my trip is pending. I'll definitely hear back within 8 hours. Well, I will assume that's good enough for now. Oh, now he has 7 hours to confirm this trip. I will driving this car. I messed up my grammar. Anyway, okay, so that's enough of that. So I'm waiting for the trip to confirm. I'm gonna assume it's all gonna go through. From now on, all the rest of this will be filmed on my phone because I'm not taking my car with me to New... Of course I'm not taking my car with me to New Jersey. I'm not taking my camera with me to New Jersey. So I will see all of you in New Jersey. Bam! I'm too far away to do that. So you know what? I'll just see you guys in New Jersey on my phone. I don't know about you, but that does not look like the car that I was originally gonna rent. You know what? That's because my first time ever trying to use Turo failed. To Pawan. As soon as I made that reservation, I'd say about an hour or so afterwards, I got an email that said, sorry, the car is unavailable during those dates. What the hell was it listed for then? That I just find obnoxious. Why would you list the car as available during those dates? I go through all the booking process, set up an account and everything. Again, it was the first time, so I set up the account, only to say it's not available. So I'm sitting in my rental at the location I had to drive to that I rented from Alamo. Why did I rent from an outside rental company and not Turo? Well, because every other car that Turo was offering, it would have cost more to use somebody's personal older car with a mileage limitation than it would be to rent an unlimited mile newer car from an actual rental company. So I had to go through an actual rental company to get this actual rental company car. My first experience with Turo, not happy with it. Not happy with it. And I don't know if I'll use it again. I don't have the need to use services like that too frequently, but now I'm pretty sure I'm not going to use it. So, Pawan, let me know in the comments below what your experiences with Turo have been, because I'm curious. I won't be using it, obviously, now for at least this trip, but I am curious. But if you want to see more failed attempts at trying things for the first time, car-related or firearm-related, make sure you turn that ignition on and subscribe button. Don't forget to like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter for some exclusive content. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I will see you on the next video.